How to optimize Windows for gaming. Welcome, gamers. Today on System Secrets, we're unlocking the ultimate gaming potential of your Windows system. Get ready to optimize like a pro. From maximizing power settings to cutting out background processes, we're streamlining your setup for peak performance. Level up your gaming rig with System Secrets. Let's dominate the digital battlefield together. Alright, so here's how to tweak your settings. First off, hit that Windows key. Then, you're gonna wanna type in settings in the search bar. I'm already there, so just follow my lead. Once you're in, look for the search bar again and type in mouse settings. When you find it, scroll down a bit until you see additional mouse settings. Click on that, and a little window will pop up. Now, click on pointers, then right pointer options. It should be the third option to the right. Now, this part's important. You want to turn off Enhanced Pointer Precision. This only applies if you're using a keyboard and mouse. If you're using a controller, you can leave it on. But for us mouse and keyboard folks, this is like turning off mouse acceleration, which is pretty crucial for gaming. Once you've unchecked that box, hit apply, give it a moment to load, then click OK. And that's it, you're good to go. Alright, here's the next tweak. Head back into your settings again. Click on Gaming this time. Then, go to Game Mode and make sure it's toggled on. Usually, it's already on by default, so chances are you won't need to do anything here. But, just to be sure, keep it on. You can read what it does right here if you're curious. Also, while you're in these settings, I suggest checking out the Game Bar option. It's in the same menu. Make sure it's turned off, especially if you're using a controller. I'm using Windows 11, so that's all I can see for the Game Bar settings. Next up, in the game settings themselves, specifically under graphics for Fortnite, set it to high performance. If Fortnite isn't already open, fire it up. Once it's running, head back into settings, find the graphics options, select high performance, and hit save. That's all there is to it. Alright, for this next tweak, let's head over to the search bar down here, or you can just hit the Windows key and type in adjust the appearance. It should pop right up. Click on it. Now, you'll see a window open up. Look for the option that says custom and give that a click. You might have a bunch of things checked off already, but for this tweak, we only need two things checked. Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Once you've got those selected, hit apply, then OK. It might take a moment to load, but you'll know it's working when you drag something around and it just looks like a white box instead of the whole tab being dragged around. Hit apply and OK again, and you're all set. Alright, let's move on to the next tweak. Back into your settings again, just like I showed you before, click on Power, which is what you're going to find on Windows 11. Then, look for Power and Battery or something like that. It should be pretty obvious. Now, here's the important part. Under Power Mode, select Best for Performance. Now, I gotta give you a heads up. This might cause your system to heat up a bit more, so keep an eye on those temperatures. If things start feeling a bit toasty or if you notice any issues, just switch it back to where it was before. Safety first, folks. I'm sure plenty of other YouTubers have talked about this too because nobody wants their PC turning into a fire hazard. So, give best performance a try, but if it's not working out, just switch it back to balanced. That's how you do it on Windows 11. If you're rocking Windows 10, I can't help you there, but I'm sure there are plenty of other videos out there that cover it. Alright, let's keep it moving. On to the next tweak. Back to settings we go. This time, let's search for startup apps. Now this one's a biggie because when you boot up your PC, there could be a ton of stuff running in the background and you might not even know it. This is where you take control and decide what gets to start up with your system. Only keep stuff you actually use regularly. If you're not sure what something is, it's probably best to leave it alone. Unless it's causing some serious issues, which I'll show you how to check in a sec. For me, I've got Microsoft Teams and all that jazz turned off. I can open those up when I need them. The only thing I've got to set to auto start is Discord because I'm always hopping on there anyway, plus the stuff for my keyboard and mouse. Keep it lean and mean, folks. Turn off anything you don't need running in the background. Your PC will thank you for it. Another way to tackle this is through the Task Manager. So, let's bring that up. You can do that by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it's up, you'll get a full rundown of everything that's currently running on your system. Pretty neat, huh? But that's not all. If you head over to the Startup tab, you'll see a list of apps that launch automatically when your PC boots up. Just click on the little clock icon or whatever you want to call it, and you'll see all the enabled and disabled startup apps right there. For me, I've only got Discord set to auto start, but you might have a few more things on your list. It's your call. If you don't want something kicking off right from the get go, just disable it here. Simple as that. Alright, let's keep this train rolling. Let's dive into another tweak. Head back into your settings again. You know the drill by now. Click on System, then Notifications. Now, ideally, you want notifications to be turned off. I mean, come on. Who really needs all those pop ups bugging them while they're trying to get stuff done? If you're like me and prefer a distraction free zone, just switch notifications off altogether. But hey, if you're one of those rare birds who actually wants notifications, go ahead and customize which ones you want to see. Personally, I'm all about that Zen mode, so I'm sticking with no notifications. Trust me, life's a lot smoother without them. Alright, that's the lowdown on notifications. Now let's keep it moving. Alright, guys, listen up, especially if you're rocking two monitors. This one's a game changer. If you're using Chrome, here's what you do: head over to your settings, scroll down to System, and look for Hardware Acceleration. Flip that sucker off. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of headaches. And it's not just Chrome. If you're on Discord, same deal. Go to your settings, find Advanced, and turn off Hardware Acceleration there too. Your Discord might need a quick restart, but once that's done, you're golden. And hey, this advice isn't just for Chrome and Discord. Anywhere you see hardware acceleration, flip that switch off. It's like getting rid of a gremlin before it wreaks havoc. You don't need it, and it's just gonna cause more problems down the line. So, do yourself a favor and turn it off everywhere you can. Your system will thank you for it. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for tuning in to System Secrets, your ultimate source for tech optimization tips. We hope you found today's guide on optimizing Windows for gaming helpful in unleashing the full potential of your rig. Remember to subscribe for more cutting edge tricks and stay ahead of the competition. Until next time, happy gaming!